This weekend I installed this gorgeous tile floor with the assistance of the Firecore F112R laser level. If you are interested in this level right now, go down below, check out the Show Me More section. You'll find a direct link to Amazon so you can purchase your own Firecore F112R laser level. And why not stick around? We'll go through an unboxing. I'll show you some tips on how I installed this floor using the Firecore F112R laser level. I'm really excited to share with you this product, but before we get to the hands-on and unboxing, I need to share with you that Firecore sent me this product for review. So with that being said, let's get started at the unboxing. So the level comes in a really nice little pouch. We have a magnetic bracket or base and the level itself. So this is the Firecore F112R laser level. So let's take a look at it. When you unpack the Firecore F112R, what you'll find in the box is the carrying case, a stand, instructions, a happy and not happy pamphlet, and the Firecore F112R laser level itself. Everything fits nicely in the storage case. You got the F112R Firecore laser level. You've got the bracket. You have a little pocket up here for batteries when you take them out when you're not in use. It folds up into a nice little box. It has a little carry loop on the back. So that is your case. Also in your kit is you have a mounting bracket. It has a magnetic base on it. It has 2 1/4-inch screws on it, one for a tripod, one for the level itself, or level itself and magnetic. Like with everything, it needs some batteries. It uses 2 AA batteries. And remember, when you're done using your level, take your batteries out so you don't have a corrosion problem. The approximate working time on a pair of AA batteries is 8 hours. Now to turn the level on, it looks like we just have an on switch. We have a very sharp red beam coming out of it. This is a fully functional 2-tube laser, meaning there are 2 lasers in it, one horizontal and one vertical. This level will provide you a horizontal and vertical line up to 4 degrees in tilt before the mechanism hits the internals of the level itself. The laser will start to flash to indicate that you've reached the end point. The dual laser has a working range of approximately 32 feet or 10 meters. The Firecore F112R contains 2 Class 2 lasers. Operating temperature for the Firecore F112R is 14 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The weight of the Firecore F112R is just under 11 ounces or almost a pound. The internal pendulum provides accurate vertical and horizontal laser alignments up to 4 degrees off level before hitting end stop. The Firecore F112R crossline laser has 2 modes of operation with 3 functions on each one of those modes. So let's take a closer look at those. To get within the self-leveling mode, we're going to turn our laser sideways. We'll find the on-off switch here. We'll push the switch forward, and now we're on. Now we'll look at the functions. If we look now at the lines, you have a button here located on the top, and as you can see, we are flashing because we've exceeded the 4-degree tilt. We'll bring it back onto level. You can see the self-leveling function. On the very top with this button, you push it one time, you go from cross lasers to vertical to horizontal and back to cross. The other mode of operation is a static mode or a locked pendulum mode. You'll find that the switch on the side is in the off position, locking the pendulum in place. To turn the laser on, you'll find the button here on the top. You push it down and hold it for 3 seconds. In the static mode or locked pendulum mode, you'll notice the laser will be pulsing. Now to change your functions of the laser, it's the same procedure as in the self-leveling mode. You'll find the button on the top, push it one time, you have the vertical line, push it again, a second time, you have the horizontal line. You push it a 3rd time and it will turn the laser back off. To restart the static mode or locked pendulum mode, hold the button down for 3 seconds on the top and the lasers will reactivate and begin pulsing again. We'll check the square of the lasers. There's a couple ways to do this. I conveniently have a 1-foot tile which is perfectly square, so we'll use that to check it, but you can use other methods to check your horizontal and vertical squares. We're just going to use this So we have our marks on the wall. As if we're going to put wall tile in, we'll line our tile up. And there we go. Looks pretty square. For comparison and checking purposes, I brought out a second cross-line laser. As you'll notice, the Firecore F112R is the brighter lines, and the width is a little bit wider. The lighter colored lines are from the other laser. They do have a finer line on them than the Firecore, so that's more accurate than this, but this is much brighter, so you'll see it at further range. Just for a check, what we'll do is we'll mark on our tube here and compare. And so we'll run this up to where the line's barely touching. We'll mark, come down here, and we are still on the mark. So that means it's pretty good vertical. You can do the same check over here. Run it up towards barely in the light. Mark it, come down here. We'll just do another little check. And we are on the line. So compared to the other laser, we're matching vertical and horizontal lines. So I'm going to say this thing shows a proper level and a vertical mark. We're going to attach the 1/4-inch stand on this, and we're going to do one more check. Put it onto our makeshift stand. Actually, it's not exactly perfectly stable, but for what we're going to use it for, it'll be just fine. I've set up the Firecore F112R at the far end of the room, about 25 feet away. We've aligned the laser on the door jamb, so let's take a closer look. At 25 feet, the laser has provided us a really solid vertical line to set a door jamb, and looking at my door jamb, I'm properly plumb and vertical. I have the Firecore F112R set up on a tripod. Make sure it's nice and solid. I'm going to establish a line on the floor so I can lay my tile. I've already got my marks for the center of the room. We're just going to line up the laser to make sure everything's nice and straight. So we're going to run in static mode. I'm going to push the top button. Push it one more time so we get the vertical line only. Got our vertical line. Now the trick with lining up a laser on the floor is I got my mark down here. We're going to pull the laser down so I can see it. And then I'll move the legs to where it needs to be. I have a straight line along the floor, so I'm ready to put down the tile. If you found this video or any tips within this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I know you're interested in purchasing your own Firecore F112R laser level. If so, check out the Show Me More section down below. It'll take you to a direct Amazon link where you can buy your very own Firecore F112R laser level. And thanks for watching, and stay frosty, my friends.